What's up everybody, it is your girl Ezeee back at it again with another video. In today's video I'm going to be giving you an update on my locks. If you would like to watch a tutorial on how to achieve these locks, please click on the link above the screen right now, the one that's flashing. Click on that. Also, if you would like to achieve this gorgeous makeup look, I'm going to leave the details down in the description box, and I'm also going to leave the video link somewhere in this video. At some point it's going to pop up, so watch out for that link. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with a couple of questions that everybody has asked me with regards to these locks. I am going to be looking on my phone because I got the questions right here. I'm not going to address the whole am I going to be doing people's locks question today. That is for another day. But today I'm going to address some of the questions that people have had with regards to these locks. So question number one is, are they heavy? Hell no, they're not heavy. They are actually very lightweight. Even when I stack them up on my head, they're actually very lightweight. I like the method that I used because I actually used less Marley hair that way. And you know, because I've realized that when you use Marley hair inside and then you wrap Marley hair over it, it actually becomes more heavier. But this method was actually pretty easy, and it's very lightweight. They're not heavy at all. I can put them on my head as a bun and all that stuff. I've worn updos a couple of times. Today I just have them down. Next question, how long do they last? I mean, it's 3 weeks later and I still feel like they still look relatively good. I mean, they're not like super dupes. Sorry, I'm just looking at the viewfinder, but they're not like, you know, with locks, as they age they start to look better. Obviously they don't look as clean as when you started, so I like the fact that they're starting to look, you know, kind of like very locky, very low maintenance, very messy. I like that look, I really do. The other thing is that there are some things I'll definitely change, which is as you can see, I did leave some of the crochet locks out, but what was happening throughout that process is that they would sometimes like break off. Like the hair is very weak to break off here. So one other thing I would do is I would actually use Marley hair to the end. That's something that I would change. I mean, we're learning this way, guys. This is how we learn, do our hair ourselves. We see our, you know, initial mistakes and we change them. But so far, the ones that didn't snap off, I mean, they still look good. You know, I still like how they look. I still like the feel of them. But some of them do snap off. So that's something I would change in future, because I will do the style again. So that's something I would change in future. So relatively they've been lasting really good. I still haven't had any locks unravel on me, but I do have some that are a bit poofier. Like this one right here is a bit poofier, as you can see, but it hasn't unraveled or anything. It just got bigger. This one also got like poofier, but I also like the look of that basically. So they're still doing pretty well, you know, they're still doing pretty good. Apart from the ends snapping off, I'm still very happy with them. Another question that I was receiving a lot is if they are washable. They are washable. I've just been not lazy, but I've been very skeptical of the weather because it's been like windy for like the past few days when I wanted to wash it. I do have like a lot of gunky buildup from the gel I've been using on my edges, because I didn't grab my edges when I was braiding my hair. Obviously that's the best thing to do for your hair. They are washable, and obviously because it is hair, when it does get wet it does become heavy. Honestly, I've been using my apple cider method, which is to dip like a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and warm water and basically just running it through to clarify. But I haven't done like a full head wash. I think I might do that, but I haven't done that because I've been so afraid I don't have a hair dryer. I've just been afraid that if I do that and try to wash them, and they're going to be weighing me down, and it's obviously going to be cold and I have to be dripping wet. But I'll probably try to check which day is warmer and which days I have longer on campus, so I'll wash them that morning, and then while I'm busy walking around campus, then they will be essentially drying. So that's just been one of my worries with the hair. But regardless of that, they are 100% washable, just like any other protective style. And obviously when you wash them and they frizz up more, the better they look. Honestly, I love how they look. The fact that they're frizzy and unruly right now makes them look like really good. So yeah. Also, I haven't experienced that many problems with the hair, apart from the fact that obviously burning it, they were like initially sticking together, but like now they're kind of free flowing. They don't stick together as much. They just snagged in the beginning, but now they're better. So I'm quite happy with it. They are easy to work out in. Just tie them up, like I said, like I do, and work out in them. And apart from that, apart from that, they're still like really long. Just a couple of things I'll change with them. Like, I thought I used color 4 here, but I actually used 1B, I think. And then here I used 4, so you see how that blends in better. So I would make sure that I'm using the right color. And try to, what's this? Like kind of twist the Mali hair all the way down to cover all the hair. Other than that, there isn't really much I would change. I think the locks are still holding up pretty well, and I'm not mad about that. Like, I'm still in love with this hair. In fact, I'm actually going to retwist the front part of my hair just to redo the perimeter to kind of neaten it, so I can keep it maybe for like another 3 weeks before I take them out. So with that being said, I honestly feel like this is a really good protective style. Very simple to do. I mean, for 6 hours of agony and, you know, very hard hands, it's a style that's been paying off. Been walking on campus, people have been asking me where I've done my hair and all that stuff. So I've been getting compliments in this hair, and I'm happy about that. That's just my quick update of how my protective style is doing. Comment down below what you think I'm going to be doing next. If you do watch my video, comment down below what you think I'm going to be doing next. It's not very specific, but I am going to film another protective style video that I'm going to be doing on myself. And we're just going to learn how to braid our hair ourselves, guys. Come on. On that note, remember to click that subscribe button. I'm watching you. I'm like the government. I am watching you. You better be clicking that button right now. Also, it helps me help you. I mean, what are we here for? And you can become part of my royal gang. That's what I call my subscribers. Okay, so become part of the family. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm really glad this video is short. But if you have any other questions for me, please do not hesitate to comment down below, and I will get back to you soonest. I mean, I do read my comments, and I really like it when you guys leave me really cool comments. And also, shout out to one of my subscribers, Life with Ariel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.